So this is our peach tree, and oh, you see that beautiful bee on that peach tree? Anyway, we realized that our peaches were shriveling up and the leaves were curling on the tree. So we figured out that the peach tree may have had curling disease, and so we had to take off the peaches, which is typical in the first year that you have fruit trees. The first few years you don't usually get a harvest from your fruit. You're just letting them mature and get used to the environment. We don't plan on being permanent at this location, so we haven't planted our tree into the ground. And we don't plan on planting this tree into the ground, so we probably may not get any fruit really from this tree until after we set it in a permanent location. But yeah, we just wanted to not always show the good of the garden, but also know that the garden comes with some challenges sometimes. That's the beauty in it. Because once you get through the challenges, the harvest of the fruit is so much more special. Our strawberry plants, they had to survive the winter storm, and so this was one that didn't make it, and then another one that didn't make it. But we're going to leave them in the dirt, in the soil, and maybe they'll come back next year. Another challenge we have faced with our strawberries as well is they aren't very sweet just yet, and they're pretty small, as you can tell, on this plant. And we haven't ate any strawberries off of this plant yet, so I don't know if these will be sweet or not, but these are a little bigger. These are a little bit bigger, and they're still growing because these are green still. So hopefully this plant, see how this one is still small, so I don't know. Hopefully they taste sweet, but we'll see. We got this onion, was planted, hubby planted this in the compost pile, and so we decided to transplant it because we thought it would do better in a pot, but it's not. It looks sad. I guess I could talk about some herbs. So we've been having a little trouble. This is our second year really with Garden of Treats, and we have had trouble growing herbs. So these two pots were planted, herbs were planted in them. However, the herbs have not sprouted when we put them outside, but I can go inside and show some of the herbs that I planted inside. So I repurposed some spaghetti jars with some spaghetti sauce in them. They're little like glass jars, and I put some rocks at the bottom and then some soil on top, and I planted some seeds. So this is the sage plant. It is sprouting, as you can see. And then this is lavender I just sprinkled on top. Now they look like they've been trying to reach the sun, and that's because I had transplanted some parsley inside of here, but I took the parsley out and there's some more seeds that started to come up, and those are the shorter looking ones. So I'm not sure if all of these will survive, and I know eventually I'll have to transplant them out of these jars, but it was a nice start to getting some herbs going. One more challenge. We had some blueberries on here. There's still some on there, but one ripened and something came to eat it. So we'll probably have to put something around this plant so that our birds or squirrels or whatever it is that came to eat this won't eat it again. We'll see. So I'm gonna close out the video right next to this beautiful trellis. Yes, look at these beautiful. And thank you for stopping by the Garden of Treats. And please like and subscribe to the video. See you next time. Keep on growing.
Thank you for coming by the Garden of Treats. We look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Make sure you look out for the Tree of Treats Foundation and visit lovealways.shop for more love.